Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vippu and I do videos related to makeup and skincare, and today's video is about this green eye look. And if you want to know how I created this look, then let's get started.
So I'm starting with Miss Claire primer, and I will apply this primer everywhere on my face except the T-zone area. Now I am using a Wet n Wild matte primer for my oily T-zone area. For color correcting my under eye circle and a little bit darkness around the mouth, I am using this Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm using the orange corrector. I'm using very little of the orange corrector and blending it. So I am using this concealer shade wherever I have corrected with the orange corrector. I will conceal my face and blend it nicely. For foundation, I am using these two foundation. I am in the color F8 Revolution stick foundation and 220 in Fit Me, and blending both of the foundation with sponge. Today I will do cream contour with the same Nykaa Conceal palette, and so I am taking this darker color and I will warm up my face, like outer corners of my face and the chisel cheekbone. So I am going little above my contour line, and I will contour my face and blend it nicely. Little bit of yellow corrector from the same palette to highlight the under eye area and blend everything very nicely. So I am baking the highlighted area with this Revolution banana powder, and I will leave the bake. So for eyes, I am using Revolution foundation stick in color F6, and I will pat the color on my eyes and blend it very nicely, so you will get a lighter area, so every color pop out very well. For eyes, I am using this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in color Comfort Zone, and I'm using this first light transition shade, and I will blend this color nicely a little above my crease, and I will build the color step by step. And after that, to darken up the crease, I'm using this PAC matte eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this darker color, and so I am applying this darker color exactly in my crease, and I will blend it very nicely take your time in blending your eyeshadows, so that making sure that you don't have any harsh line. And going back to the Wet n Wild palette, I'm using this green color. I am wetting my brush to get the maximum amount of pigment of the eyeshadow. Pack generous amount of color. And I am applying this all over my eyelid. And then taking the darkest green in the palette, I will apply this in the outer corner in a diagonal direction, and I will blend it in a diagonal direction also, so that it just give a depth to the outer corner and blend it. So now take a clean blending brush and make sure all of your eyeshadows are blended nicely, and I will take generous amount of time to blend everything out. Taking this pencil brush, I will use this same golden eyeshadow from the palette and highlight. For the lower lash line, I'm using the same darker color from the PAC palette, and I will apply all over my lower lash line. After that, I'm taking the same light green eyeshadow and applying above the transition shade. And to finish up the look, I am using this Oriflame No Compromise mascara, and I am using this generously on my eyelashes. For lips, I am using Ink Color lip liner, and I am filling my lips as well with the same lip liner. And for lipstick, I am using Nykaa So Matte liquid lipstick in color 01 Bombay. Last but not least, I am using this Revolution palette for my blush. I'm mixing these two middle shades and applying these on apple of my cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm using the same palette and this third golden shade. And to finish off the look, I am using NYX matte fixing spray, and I am spraying it generous amount.
That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and do share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.